Jack in the Box can help you understand biology, prove me wrong. Imagine you're feeling a little hungry and you decide to take a trip to Jack in the Box. You're out of school, tired, hungry. Your teacher just assigned a digestive tract quiz for next Friday, and you know you're cooked.
Well, do you want to know what happens to your stomach after you take a bite out of that big fat juicy burger and sugar-filled liquidy milkshake?
So, you resorted to this video with last-minute procrastination. So let's learn about the digestive tract while eating Jack in the Box. But ever thought about the science that goes behind every bite of the burger? What goes inside your stomach when you drink an Oreo shake?
Wow, look at all these options.
First, you take a bite of your burger.
That is called ingestion. Your mouth chewing does mechanical digestion while your saliva does the chemical digestion. It breaks down the enzymes.
Chewed food goes down your esophagus, making its way past your epiglottis and into your stomach.
While inside the stomach, the chewed food goes through chemical digestion. The food in your stomach gets covered in enzymes that help with digestion like pepsin. That acidic food mixture is called chyme.
From there, that mixture will leave the stomach and make its way into the small intestine. That is called absorption. First, the mixture will go through the duodenum. From there, it makes its way into the jejunum, then ileum. They all help with the absorption of the nutrients like the proteins in the meat or even the sugars in the shake.
After that, what is left that didn't get absorbed makes its way into the large intestine. This is where the large intestine reabsorbs water while keeping waste, aka poop, before it makes its way out of your system.
This is just a simplification of what really happens inside your body. There are lots of more detailed videos and articles you might want to read, but if you're watching this, that means you're running out of time. After watching this video, you may want to go to Jack in the Box and get a munchie meal. So when you do, remember, put this video in the background to help you in your next bio and anatomy quiz.